Hey, what's up, students? I'm going to go over the practice quiz here. I pulled these questions from page 510. I'm doing 1 through 24 with the bonus question, so here we go. Number 1 and 2, it says find the degree of each monomial. Okay, so remember the degree is how we measure how powerful monomials can be. So basically ask yourself this question: how many variables does it have? Negative 5a to the 8 has 8 a's all multiplied in a row. So we say it's got a power level of 8. That's the degree. Remember, the degree is the power level. Number 2 is a bit tricky. You've got two variables. You have an x and y. There's 2 x's and there's 3 y's. Together, that's a power level of 5. So remember, if you write it out like this, it's pretty obvious to spot the 5 variables. Okay, so remember, if it's all together, you keep them together to measure their power level. Okay, when you keep them separated is when they are actually separate types of variables. So these next ones, 3 and 4, I'm going to go and roll right into these. 3 and 4, you need to rewrite it in standard form. That's most variables to least, and then we need to name it using the table from the 8-1 notes. Okay, so this one's got 2, this one's got 1, so the 3x squared should go first, and then the 4x should go second. So there's that one's standard form. Then name based off its degree. This has a degree level of 2. If you have a degree level of 2, based off the notes, you're called a quadratic. So this is right off the notes. Okay, so if you check your notes, a degree level of 2, you're called a quadratic if you have a degree of 2. And then the second part, we need to name it off its parts, the number of parts, the number of terms. There's 2 parts, that means you're a binomial. All right, so remember the 2 different types of names. This measures its power level, and this measures the number of items you have, like the team level. So power, level, team, number. Think of it that way. Next one, this one's got 3, 2p to the 3rd power, and then we have the 7p squared, and then the minus 3p. I didn't give a whole lot of room for that one, but that's okay. So the biggest, baddest wolf is first. That's 3. That's called a cubic. Okay, and then it's also a trinomial. There's 1, 2, 3 pieces. Okay, so completely different types of labeling systems. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll do the rest in a second.